Hello and welcome back to Learn English Slow for Beginners. Relax and enjoy Foundation 17. There is no need to memorize. You are doing really well. Now, listen to the English words for today. Just listen. Problem, question, can, speak, learn, understand, think, know. Okay, listen to the words again and repeat them after me. Problem, problem, question, question, can, speak, speak, learn, understand, think, know. Good. Nice and slow. Now we can make some joined words. You can repeat them if you like. Big problem. Answer the question. I can speak. Speak slow. Learn English. Yes, I understand. Think fast. Know the answer. Very good. Now, listen to a simple story using all of the words. Anna wants to learn English today. She arrives at a new place near her home. An old man is here to help her. He asks her questions in English. Anna does not understand the man. This is a big problem for her. Now she needs to think fast. She knows some English words, so she can answer. Now she can speak slow English with him. The man says yes and knows that she is happy. She wants to learn more new words tomorrow. Finally, let us hear the English words one more time. Problem, question, can, speak, learn, understand, think, know. Okay, that is all for today. Well done. Rest now, and I will see you for the next lesson. If you enjoyed this lesson, you can like, share, and subscribe.